A rat opens a book. It reads the first paragraph. It begins to read the second when its phone buzzes. A notification. The rat closes the book and checks the phone. Nothing important. Just an app update. Puts the phone down and opens the book again. But it's lost. Can't remember what the second paragraph was about. It starts rereading the first. Then, a sound from outside. The rat perks its ears, listening. Nothing. Just the wind. It tries to focus back on the book, but now a new thought intrudes. I need to go to the grocery store tomorrow. Did I write everything on my list? It sets the book aside and starts making a list. 5 minutes pass. The list is done. It returns to the book, but now its eyes feel tired. Drowsiness sets in. I'll just rest now, it thinks. I'll read later. This isn't just the rat story. This is the story of every human who can't focus on one thing for 5 minutes in today's world. The rat can play a video game for 5 minutes. The rat can scroll social media for 5 minutes. But the rat cannot read a book for 5 minutes. The rat cannot write a report for 5 minutes. The rat cannot meditate for 5 minutes. Why? Is the rat's brain broken? Is it deficient? Or has the world around it been designed this way? This question isn't just for the rat. It's for all of us. Because in today's world, focus has become a scarce resource. And whoever controls this resource controls the rat's mind. Pause. Shift in tone from narrative to explanatory. Here's the truth. The rat's brain is a hunter's brain. It must stay alert. It must pay attention to every sound, every movement, every change. This is a survival mechanism. If it focuses so deeply that it misses a predator's approach, it's finished. So its brain comes pre-wired multitask. Scan. Always be ready for new information. Our digital world has exploited this wiring perfectly. Every notification is a new sound. Every message is a potential threat or opportunity. Every scroll is a new landscape. The rat's brain is made for this. Scrolling social media isn't a struggle. Its brain is doing what it was built to do. Scanning, switching, reacting. But when it sits to read a book, its brain must perform a different task. Deep focus. This goes against its natural design. It's like using a race car to plow a field. The car wasn't built for it. So, understand this first. The rat's inability to focus is not a disease. It's its nature. But nature can be trained. Shift to solution-oriented tone. This brings us to dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that motivates the rat to act. Creates a loop. Craving, action, reward. Today, this loop is dangerously short and fast. A notification, craving, unlocking the phone, action, seeing new content, reward. This cycle completes in seconds. But the dopamine loop for reading a book is long. The reward, a new understanding, comes minutes or hours later. The rat's brain is now addicted to short, fast loops. It's like getting hooked on fast food until a home-cooked meal tastes bland. This dopamine taste has changed. The phone offers instant gratification. The book offers delayed gratification. And the brain, wired for survival, prioritizes the immediate. So, is the rat doomed? Should it surrender to its nature? Absolutely not. Because the rat's brain has a miraculous quality. Neuroplasticity. Can change. Can build new pathways and learn new habits. It just needs the right practice. And for that practice, the rat needs a 3-step formula. Step 1. Environment design. The more the rat tries to control its mind, the more it will fail. So, it must design its environment to make focus easy and distraction hard. If it wants to read, it should put its phone in another room. This isn't about willpower. It's about wisdom. You can't keep meat in front of a lion and ask it to be vegetarian. Environment design is the most powerful tool. Step 2. Time blocking. The rat should not try to focus all day. It should set a small, fixed time. From 10 to 10:20 a.m., I will only read this book. Just 20 minutes. The brain needs a limit. The idea of focusing forever is terrifying. 20 minutes is bearable. Use a timer. Start small, then gradually expand. This is like weight training for your focus muscles. Step 3. the magic of single tasking. The rat thinks it's multitasking, but it's actually task switching. Each switch has a mental cost. It's like turning a car's engine on and off repeatedly. With single tasking, the rat does just one thing, creates a sacred time and space for that task. At first, the mind will wander. Every time, gently bring it back. Without anger, without self-scolding. This is meditation in action. Practice leads to mastery. Build up to a hopeful conclusion. By adopting these 3 steps, the rat will slowly strengthen its focus. Environment design gives the initial push. Time blocking provides structure. Single tasking delivers the depth needed for true enjoyment. Because the biggest secret of focus is this: when you immerse yourself completely in one thing, you enter a state of flow. Time stops. You are absorbed. This is the purest, most sustainable form of dopamine, and it only comes from deep, single-tasked work. That day is not far when the rat will be so lost in a book that it won't hear its phone. That day is not far when it will be so engrossed in writing that it won't feel hunger. This is not an impossible dream. It's a skill anyone can learn. Start with one small time block, with one distraction-free environment, with a little faith that the rat, too, can focus. Because if the rat can do it, anyone can.